question exercise 4G, question 12 quickly. It says that a ball, okay, we've done that. We've done question 12. Let's look at question 13. We've done question 12. Let's look at question 13. Exercise 4G, question 13. In question 13, we have that a farmer uses 9/16 of the field for growing cassava. So fraction for cassava will be equal to 9/16. Now, he said he uses 2/7 of the remainder. So I haven't used this for cassava. What will be the remainder? The remainder will be equal to 1 minus 9/16. 1 minus 9/16. Grace, put on your camera. And that will be equal to 1/1 minus 9/16, which will now give you 16 minus 9, and that is 7/16. So that's 7/16 as the remainder. But that's not where the question ends. The question says that he uses 2/7 of the remainder. So fraction for what? Corn. Fraction for corn will now be equal to 2/7 of 7/16. 2/7 of 7/16. So that will give you 2/7 times 7/16. So when you cancel that, it will give you 1/8. It will give you 1/8. So he said, what fraction of the field is used for growing corn? So this is the fraction of the field that will now be used for growing corn, which is what? 1/8. So that's it. This is the remainder. From the remainder, you can now get the fraction that is used for growing corn. That's for question 13. Then after that, we'll go to the last question, then question 14. Are you ready? In question 14, we are told that 3 sisters share some money. The oldest get 9/11. So oldest sisters share 9/11. The next gets 7/12 of the remainder. So remainder will be equal to 1 minus 9/11, which will be what? 1/1 minus 9/11. The LCM is 11. Let's give you 11 minus 9, which will give you 2/11. Now, they said the next girl gets 7/12 of the remainder. So next sister's share will be equal to 7/12 times of 2/11, which will be 7/12 times 2/11. 2 go here 6, 2 go here 1. I'll give you 7 over 66. Now, it says, what fraction of the money does the youngest sister get? What fraction of the money does the youngest sister get? What fraction of the money does the youngest sister get? So what you now need to do is that you need to find out, so share so far, the share so far will be this one, what the oldest sister has gotten, and what the next sister has gotten. That will be equal to what? 9 over 11 plus 7 over 66. The LCM will be 66. This will be 66 divided by 11 will be 6 times 9, that will be 44. So that will be 54. That's 6 times 9 will be 54, plus 66 divided by 6 will be what? Will be 1 times 7, that will be 7. So this will give you 61 over 63. So the question says, what fraction of the money does the youngest sister or youngest girl get? So youngest sister will be equal to 1 minus 61 over what? 66. That's what the youngest sister will get. 1 minus 61 over 66. So that will be equal to what? 1 over 1 minus 61 over 66. This is question 14, continuation. And that will give you 66 minus 61, which will give you 65, sorry, which will give you 5 over 66.